Welcome to this detailed video about the carpet manufacturing process in a modern factory. Today, we will explore how carpets are made step by step. From raw materials to final packing, you will see the complete journey of carpet production. Carpets are used in homes, offices, hotels, and many other places. They make rooms beautiful, warm, and comfortable. Now let's begin our factory tour. In this scene, we see trucks arriving at the factory. The trucks carry raw materials like wool, nylon, polyester, polypropylene fibers. Workers unload the materials carefully. Each material is checked for quality. Only high-quality fibers are accepted. The materials are stored in a clean and dry warehouse. Before production begins, fibers are tested in a laboratory. Technicians check strength, thickness, color quality, moisture level. Machines measure fiber durability. If the fiber passes all tests, it moves to the next stage. Now the fibers are sent to the spinning machine. The machine twists fibers into strong yarn. This yarn will be used to make the carpet surface. Large spinning machines work continuously. Workers monitor the machines carefully. In this stage, yarn is colored. Huge dyeing machines are filled with hot water and color dye. Yarn is dipped into the dye. The color must be even and bright. After dyeing, the yarn is dried in drying chambers. After drying, yarn is wound onto large cones. Automatic winding machines prepare yarn rolls. These yarn cones are now ready for weaving. Before weaving begins, carpet designs are created. Designers use computers to create patterns. Modern carpets are designed using software. Traditional carpets may use classic patterns. The design is sent to the weaving machine system. Now we enter the weaving section. Large power looms are working loudly. The yarn moves quickly through the machine. The machine follows the digital design. Slowly, the carpet shape appears. This is one of the most important steps. In many factories, carpets are made by tufting. Tufting machines insert yarn into a backing fabric. Thousands of needles move up and down very fast. The carpet pile is formed in this stage. Now a strong backing layer is added. Latex glue is applied to hold the fibers tightly. A secondary backing cloth is attached. This makes the carpet strong and durable. The carpet is passed through large rollers. After backing, the carpet goes into a large heating oven. Heat dries the glue. This process is called curing. It makes the carpet stable and strong. Now the carpet surface is trimmed. Special cutting machines make the surface smooth. Extra fibers are removed. The carpet now looks clean and even. Some carpets are washed for extra cleanliness. Water sprays clean the surface. Dust and loose fibers are removed. The carpet is dried again. Now quality control begins. Workers check color accuracy, design, matching surface smoothness, size measurement. If any defect is found, it is corrected. Large carpet rolls are cut into different sizes. For example, 5 by 7 feet, 8 by 10 feet. Custom sizes. Automatic cutting machines ensure perfect measurements. The edges of the carpet are stitched. Binding machines sew strong thread around edges. This prevents fraying. It also gives a neat finish. The carpet surface is brushed. It improves softness and shine. Some carpets receive protective chemical treatment. This makes them stain resistant. Finished carpets are rolled tightly. Plastic covers protect them from dust and water. Labels are added with size color, brand name barcode. Packed carpets are stored in the warehouse. The storage area is clean and organized. Products are arranged by size and design. Now carpets are loaded into containers. They are shipped to local markets, export countries, retail stores. The journey from factory to customer begins. Finally, carpets reach homes and offices. Workers install wall-to-wall carpets. Families decorate their living rooms. The carpet adds warmth, beauty, and comfort. From simple fibers to a beautiful floor covering, this is the complete carpet manufacturing journey. Thank you for watching this detailed carpet manufacturing process video. If you enjoyed this factory tour, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next manufacturing documentary.